How do I iterate through two lists with string elements in Python with a condition? For example, I have two lists like I want to compare 0 and B01. If there is any common alphabet between Tirandi, the result should be true or else it should be false. Output. I was able to do it if it is just one element in A and B but cannot iterate through the list.
Assuming you want to perform the tests in pairs, this is your code. Your input lists are of unequal length, so it is not clear to me what you want to do with Jill, the B item unmatched if A. A bit more details. Zip makes a list of pairs from a pair of lists. It actually makes a list of n tuples from n lists, but in our case n equals 2, as you figured. Constructing a set from a string returns the set of characters in the string, and amp, as a set operator, is set intersection. Constructing a bool value from a set return that sets non-emptiness. Simple list comprehension constructs the result.
Something like this should work. Testing.
Others' answers are good enough. Here is your version fixed.
If you want to see more, please contact